And action.
What?
Action. You're on film.
Good night, Mike.
Oh, good day.
Hello.
Hello. Have you heard of the app I'm using yet?
It's captured.
Yeah, you're right. Like
Whoa.
I made that way more dramatic than you needed to and looked away. Why is there a guy standing in the middle of the road? Excuse me, I need your help. He's like, fuck this, I'm out of here.
Get outside. Get out of here. I don't need help.
I'm so glad I'm getting this on film.
Dude, this guy, what are you doing?
Just get away, just leave me alone. That's literally what the guy was just saying. Would you get pissed and get out? Fuck you, I'm walking.
You're driving like a maniac. We're off the road.
Oh no, yeah,
That was funny.
Jesus Christ, you're driving like a maniac, Howard.
Everyone else is trying to help her. Get away!
Just
Please!
leave me alone. I just want to be alone for now.
I think
Go
she-
away.
I think she got back in the car.
Yeah, sit back in
Yeah, okay, it's cold, I'm sorry. Lois.
Howard, it's still raining outside. Just get me home. It's not having a fun time anymore.
You told me Roadhead was good. You didn't say I'd be giving it. There's a cop up ahead.
I see the cop up ahead.
Oh,
He's
Howard.
not gonna come get us. He's just chilling.
I know.
Just like the rest of us.
Asbestos.
Asbestos.
Especially that guy.
Amnesia.
I think he just has it up.
Like, he's looking down. He has no idea.
Sorry guys, I'm not gonna film a cop. I don't know, mate.
Not really that illegal. It's more illegal. You get the thing on my face.
No.